buddy. Look what I'm gonna eat today.
Today we are doing
challenge.
the taste test challenge, and he is trying out some cocktail sauce, some honey, some spicy mustard, and some potted meat, and some Juanita peppers, and some olives, and some relish. Also some hot tamales, because he's never tried this candy before. All right. What's the first one? What's the first one you're gonna go with? The cocktail sauce?
Wait, where's the honey? Oh, right here. I want to
Yep.
honey first. So, I don't want to put the spoon in there.
You can put the spoon in there.
No, it's because when I
And when you're done, you can wipe it off. You can wipe it off with the napkin. Gianna, that's gonna take too long. Thumbs up means it's good. Thumbs down means it's bad.
Bad and good.
Okay. So that was to the honey. Let's smooth the honey. What's the next one you're trying?
Which one tastes the baddest?
You mean the worst? The candy he went for. How do you like that? Did you taste it?
No.
Taste it. No, really, taste it. All right, chew, chew, chew. Gianna, we just seen you hiding it. We just seen you hiding it. Come on. How does it taste? Tell us.
Normal.
You don't know.
I don't know.
How does it taste? Does it taste what? Sweet, salty, spicy? How does it taste? Thumbs down? Okay, thumbs down to the candy. All right. What you trying next?
What is the baddest?
Worst.
Worst. What is the worst?
The potted meat is good.
I'm nervous.
Why?
It's because it's my first time and I don't want to get mad or
Don't be
dehydrated.
nervous. Don't be nervous. And if you get dehydrated, that's what your water is for.
If I do that, that means it's bad and good and I'm nervous.
All right. Which one you going to go with? The potted meat? Okay, you guys. Let's see. Thumbs up if it's good. Thumbs down if it's bad. Oh, that's a big bite. He's brave. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, you like that. If you don't like it, son, you can spit it out. So you was faking.
No.
So you like it.
It's salty.
So you like the potted meat.
Guys, let me see how many I ate.
All right, what's the next one?
Empty.
He cleaned it up. Thumbs up to the potted meat. What's next? You have... How much do you have left? I don't know. That is the cocktail sauce. You can try a little bit with the spoon. And that is the sweet and spicy mustard. That is the relish.
Is this spicy?
Oh, no, that's the olive. Eat it. You gotta bite the whole thing. Chew it like gum. Put the whole thing in your mouth and eat it. Gianna. What? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs Okay, pass me the olives, please. Stop. You already tried the potted meat. Pass me the olives, please. Okay, you have 4 left. Drink your water if you need to. That is the spicy mustard.
Why does it smell like fart? Did someone poo in this? Or poop?
All right, come on. Let's try it. Let's try it.
I don't know.
Nope, you have
No,
to try.
it's
You have to
disgusting
try
because
it.
that's
You
different.
have to try it, Giano.
No!
Giano.
Now I only have 3 left.
Try it. The relish is actually pretty okay.
This?
Yeah, that's relish. You put that on hot dogs or...
You put that on?
Try it. It's actually good. It's kind of sweet. Tastes like pickles.
Tastes like nothing.
Try it with the spoon. You have to take a bite.
I'm taking a small bite
Yes, you have to take a small bite.
first.
Gian, really stop. Give me that.
This?
Yes. You got 2 left. You have the Juanita peppers and the cocktail sauce. Which ones are you gonna go with?
Which one tastes good or bad? I bet that's one. Bad.
Come on,
Tell me which one's good and bad.
choose one. Cocktail sauce or the Juanita peppers?
Wait. Where's
Both are heartburn.
Where's that one? Where is it? The other one. I thought
That's
we
for
were doing
tomorrow.
8.
That's for part 2. We did do 8. Pick the last 2.
Part 2 is tomorrow.
Come on, pick the last 2 and stop
Wait,
stalling.
Where's the candy one?
You already
I'm
ate
gonna go
that
back to
one.
this one. What's that? So now I have to.
No, Giano. Which one are you trying?
This one smells bad, so I'm not doing that.
Okay, so he's trying the cocktail sauce. Go ahead and take a little bite and tell me how it tastes. Thumbs up if it's good, thumbs down if it's bad. Okay. Okay. Drink your water. Drink your water. That's what it's for. Okay. Last but not least, the Juanita peppers. Try the Juanita peppers. That's the last
Are they
one.
good?
Try them. You gotta try one little sliver. Come on. You guys, please like and please subscribe and tell us the next challenge we should do. How does it taste? How does it taste?
Good.
Bad? What
Good.
kind of... So it's good and bad?
It's bad. Really bad.
What is bad? Like, is it spicy? Is it sweet? Is it... What does it taste like? Is it crunchy?
Spicy. Let's figure out corn.
Okay, you guys.
Spicy.
We will be putting part 2. Hi, everyone. This is part 2 of the Taste Tester Challenge. We have here a breakfast smoothie, Junior Mints, crackers for his caviar.
Which my mom's going to taste with me.
Yes, I am. I did agree to taste the caviar and crackers with him.
How about me?
And-
Taste it And
Oh, they can't really see this. Yeah, we can both do. They can't really
This
see this.
stinks, guys. This stinks.
It does not stink. This is jumbo squid. Yeah, it's jumbo squid. And last but not least, this is seaweed. Dry seaweed.
You
Yes.
could break it. Look.
Are you excited, Gianno?
Yes.
Okay.
First thing up.
Remember, the first thing, you can try what you want. Yeah, you can go for whatever you want first. Okay, it did say in the back of that to shake it up. Shake it up a little bit.
I did shake it up before we did the video.
Perfect.
Open it.
Try to open it. Use them muscles, boy.
This hack is on YouTube. You have to bang it on you.
Okay, you know what? I think I'll just open it.
Yeah. And I'm gonna be the porn. I'm gonna be porn. Guys, come on. Okay, give me.
Here you go.
Something.
Got it. See? I know you can do it. Up, let's move the caviar box. Ooh. That actually looks yummy. And what is it? A strawberry breakfast smoothie. Ooh.
Wait. I don't know if I'm ready.
You're ready. Because it smells delicious, huh?
It smells like actually a Pop-Tart.
Does it? A strawberry Pop-Tart? Or...
Yeah, because there's actually strawberry Pop-Tarts that I tasted before. Or pink ones.
Alright.
And this smells like...
Go for it. So it tastes okay? Okay.
So next step I'll go.
Next is the Junior Mints. He's never had Junior Mints.
You know what the heck? That's the mint. It broke.
Chew the whole thing. Tell us what it tastes like.
Minty, my favorite mint, actually.
Oh, you like that one.
I like mint.
Okay, he likes
It's because I love mint.
the Junior Mints. All right, we're gonna
Wait,
wait
was
for
there
the caviar. We're gonna, yeah, there was 4 in there. We're gonna leave the caviar for last, okay? So what's next? The jumbo squid or the seaweed?
Seaweed.
Okay, go for it.
What did the kid do with it? Did
Eat
he
it.
Rip it?
Nope, you can eat it. Just take a bite.
Smells like Cooper.
Put.
Smells like Cooper.
What are you trying to say? Cooper smells good.
No, it smells like when he's outside.
Oh, it smells like what, dog? Let me smell.
You smell.
Oh my God, it does. What the hell?
I want to take a cracker.
Hey, no crackers. No, that's cheating. That's cheating. That is for our.
I don't want to rip it and put it on the cracker.
No. You can put some squid on the seaweed and roll it up, or you can take a bite of the seaweed. A big bite. Okay. Chew. What? I don't understand. What was the taste like? Poop? You've never even tasted poop. So what was the taste really like? Was it salty? Was it sugary? Calm down. Okay. All right. He's eating another mint to kill the taste. All right. It is time for the jumbo squid.
No, that was supposed to be last.
No, this is last because we're doing it together. Time for the jumbo squid. What are you gonna go for?
I want the small.
You don't want a little squid? No?
Small
Okay.
arm.
A small arm. Okay. Do you want it on a cracker?
Yes.
Okay, so get a cracker. And you guys, I did season this and stuff. He wanted me to fry it, but I wanted to eat it like clams and oysters. So where's the cracker? Get the cracker. Give it to me. Put one. Give me that cracker. Eat it all. Gianna.
I'm scared.
Scared of what, my love? Stop. You're going to drop the squid. You said one little piece. Don't sniff it or anything. Put it on the cracker. I seasoned. Gianna. 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 You know what? Stop.
No.
Okay, last but not least. Oh, wait. Was that a thumbs up or a thumbs down? Okay.
Let's get that. Are we gonna put that on the camera?
No, because we're both gonna try this. I told you I'd try it with you. So we'll put it here.
Look, guys. Black fish.
Okay, let's put it down.
You do it first.
Put it down. Let's bring it to the
Video
camera.
with first and see your reaction.
No, we're gonna do it together.
I
We
know
don't
where we're
need
gonna
very
put it.
much.
I
I
would've-
heard a little bit goes a long way. And I don't want to... Hey, stop. Okay, thank you. But I don't want to overdo it. So, let's just...
Are these gonna grow in our stomachs?
No.
Why?
They're not going to grow on my stomach.
How? Why?
Because they just won't. Okay, pick up yours. Do you want to come over here by me?
No, I got it.
No, the mint, that would be cheating. I need the mint, sir. Why are you eating a mint before we eat our caviar? Come over here to me so we can get each other's reaction.
Okay, flip the camera.
I will, as soon as you get over here. Okay. Oh wait, I think I just took a picture. All right, you guys.
I'm gonna go get Peter Parker.
No. You guys, we are gonna try the caviar with crackers together. Here is yours. And this is our reactions.
Smells like a cracker. Smells like nothing.
This is our reactions. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I think I like it.
What do you give it?
I give it a thumbs up. What do you give it?
Or is it salty or not?
It's a little salt, but like they said, a little bit goes a long way. You don't need a lot. But it's a little greasy. I don't know, thick or something in my mouth. Hey, don't show the camera.
It's not out.
It's a little thick in my mouth. I'm still not able to swallow. I don't know if it's because my throat is so dry or the salt is so salty. But I'm still chewing. Did you swallow? Yeah, I'm still trying.
This is because you like the whole thing. I only broke a piece. I only broke
Did you cheat? Did you eat the whole thing?
No. I broke it.
Okay, Gianna, what was your favorite? The caviar?
And the milkshake and these mints.
Yeah.
I'm gonna eat more.
I think you really did like those mints because you ate all of them. This milkshake is pretty good. I think I'm gonna start.
Yeah, wait,
getting there.
wait, guys. My mom not even say this.
I did. When I was choking, I took a sip to help revive my throat. Hey, but don't forget to.
Is this much?
Sorry, you guys. I'm eating seaweed. I'm in love with it.
Do you guys want me to beatbox? Comment down below or not.
Okay. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Mwah.
We love